So hello everyone, welcome to week 6 lab part 1. Today we're going to connect one router, two access points with two laptops wirelessly. So just going to start adding some labels. Part 1. So for this connection, you need to have one router, which is the 1841. And then you go to the wireless devices, two access points, the APPT. And then you need two end devices, laptops. I need to connect the router into the two access points using the copper crossover. I'll use the interface Ethernet 01, and there is only one port. And basically you don't need to add the other interfaces because we're not using serial numbers or more than two ports. You already have 4 ports here, so they are you have 2 ports, so they are enough to do the cabling for this network. So I will firstly start with configuring the router. You can see 2 interfaces. I will start with interface 1, and then the IP will be 192.168.1.1, and then make sure you flick this one to on. .92.168.2.1. So you can see that the connection is working now from the router to the access point. Now I need to go and check the access point. Maybe I'll start with the laptops. Just leave the access points for now. You can see the laptop has no wireless card, so you just turn it off, remove the Ethernet card and add the wireless card, then turn it on. So you need to add the gateway and you need to configure the wireless. So go to the statics, and then you've been provided with laptop 0, which is 192.168.1, and then use the last 2 digits of your student ID. So if your student ID ends with 89, just use 89. Make sure this is ticked into on, and you can see it started to communicate, but we don't want it to use the default connection. So on the left side, you have to change this one into your student ID, for example 1 2 3 4 5 6 8, and you'll see the connection. I'm going to disconnect it soon. Go to the access point, configuration, go to port 0, change the SSID into your student ID. And then it should be working. Again, on the other side, port 1, change it into your name. Go to the laptop, turn it off, remove the card, and add the wireless. Turn it on. And then you can see the wireless now. We need to change make it statics, not dynamic. And for laptop 1, the IP address is 192.168.2. Whatever is the last 2 digits of your student ID. We need to do the default gateway. And you can see this one is not connected here because we might forget the default gateway. So the default gateway for laptop number 1 is 192.168.2.1. You can see we forgot the default gateway for this one. So this is 192.168.1.1. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nine. To be 9. Right. 1. Change the SSID to Ahmed as well. It should be working. Okay, you can see the wireless connection is established now and up and running. I'm going to take the IP to ping from here and to here, from laptop 0 into laptop 1. Go to desktop, command prompt, ping, and then paste whatever is the IP is. So in the first time, sometime you will get some data lost if there is a delay or timeout, but maybe in the second or third pinging, it will start working straight away after the MAC address learned by other devices. So now you can see it's faster because the MAC address is known by everyone. Because you can see that every device has its own MAC address. So we finish with week 6 lab part 1. Thank you.